Hey guys, how are you all doing? Are you still confused what an internal or an external company is? Don't know what all companies come internally in various maritime training institutes? Don't worry, I'll clear it out for you today. My name is Cadet Agneva Maiti. I'm a pre-C cadet in the Maritime Training Institute. And lately I have been interacting with a lot of students who are preparing for this upcoming August 2024 batch. The common doubt being what exactly are internal and external companies. So today I'll be talking about what are internal and external companies, of course, and also I'll be telling you all what all internal companies come for DNS sponsorship in various maritime training institutes. Moving forward with the video, firstly I would like to talk about external companies. I am also sponsored from a company which was an external company. So external companies are basically companies which publish their own forms in their own sites. They conduct the whole DNS sponsorship procedure on their own. Companies like Anglo Eastern, Synergy Marine Group, Great Eastern, they put up their forms on their sites, they conduct their written examinations online or offline, and most of them call for personal interviews in offline mode. And after your selection, they send you to various institutes. Either they send you in their own institute, like Anglo Eastern and Great Eastern send their cadets to their own institutes called IMA and James Lonavala, or companies like Synergy and Fleet. These are also external companies. Companies like Fleet and Synergy send their cadets to various tie-up colleges like IMI, Tolani, HIMT Chennai, IMU Chennai, etc. Now if I talk about internal companies, these internal companies are companies which do not publish their form in their official site. What they do is they do come internally in various maritime training institutes and shortlist students from there for the DNS sponsorship. Now if you want to appear for these companies, what you have to do is you have to fill the forms of various maritime training institutes like Tolani, TS Rahman, AMET and IMI Noida. Once you fill the form, you have to appear for an pre-screening test, which will be most probably online. And based on your results in that pre-screening test and whether you are eligible in that particular company, the internal company will shortlist you for the further procedures, which will be again in written examination, mostly in online mode, and in personal interview, which can be online as well as offline. What I have seen is 50% of the internal companies take their personal interviews in online mode. Now coming to the last segment of this video, as already promised, I'll be discussing about the internal companies which come in various maritime training institutes. If I talk about TMI, Tolani Maritime Institute, companies like BSM, TOM, Scorpio Marine Management, and Wallem, then T Erudite, Tolani Shipping itself. These companies come internally in TMI. Then if I talk about TS Rahman, companies like BSM and Goodwood come internally for DNS sponsorship. And recently we got 9 students selected in a company called MMSI, which was an internal company in AMET. AMET has recently started their DNS sponsorship program, like DNS program in their institute. So companies like Elegant Ship Management and MMSI also come for DNS sponsorship internally in AMET Chennai. Also in IMI Noida, which is International Maritime Institute Noida, companies like PIL, Dockendale, Dynacom come for DNS sponsorship internally. So that will be it for today's video. If you have any suggestions or if you have any doubts, you can let us know in the comment down below. Or we'll be providing with you a link given down in the description below. Fill that form. It is free of cost call assistance from our budding mariners team, and you will soon get a call from our team who can clear all your doubts regarding IMUCET and sponsorship. Thank you. Have a good day.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMUCET and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your mariner journey with us today.